Welcome to Case Law Videos. Today, we'll delve into a Supreme Court judgment that highlights the importance of transparency in legal proceedings. This case revolves around the suppression of material facts and its impact on the administration of justice. The two-judge bench comprising Justice Abhay S. Oka and Justice Ujjal Bhuyan observed, it is settled law that a litigant who, while filing proceedings in the court, suppresses material facts or makes a false statement cannot seek justice from the court. The facts suppressed must be material and relevant to the controversy, which may have a bearing on the decision-making. Cases of those litigants who have no regard for the truth and those who indulge in suppressing material facts need to be thrown out of the court. The appellant faced a criminal complaint under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, filed by a credit cooperative society, the respondent. The complaint alleged the dishonor of a cheque for over 27 lakh rupees. The cheque was given as security for an overdraft facility. The respondent had previously filed a complaint related to another security cheque, which was later settled. The appellant requested loan documents to respond to the legal notice, but the respondent ignored these requests and filed the complaint, suppressing the appellant's letters. The Judicial Magistrate First Class issued a process, which was later upheld by the Bombay High Court, leading to the Supreme Court appeal. The key issues before the Supreme Court were, firstly, whether the respondent's suppression of the appellant's letters constituted an abuse of the process of law. Secondly, whether the JMFC's issuance of process and the High Court's affirmation were legally sustainable given the suppression of material facts. The appellant argued that the respondent misused the second security cheque and that the suppression of letters denied her a fair opportunity to respond. The respondent, relying on Section 139 of the NI Act, claimed the cheque was issued for a debt and that the letters were immaterial. They later alleged that documents were provided, claiming the appellant was suppressing facts. The Supreme Court allowed the appeal, quashing the High Court's order, the complaint, and the JMFC's cognizance order. The court held that the respondent's failure to disclose the appellant's letters was a suppression of material facts, preventing a fair examination under Section 200 of the CRPC. This constituted an abuse of the legal process. The court emphasized that litigants must approach courts with clean hands. The magistrate should have dismissed the complaint under Section 203 of the CRPC had the suppressed letters been disclosed. The respondent's claim of providing documents was deemed an afterthought. The court also highlighted the importance of Section 200 of the CRPC, stating that magistrates must verify the truth before issuing a process. The judgment reaffirmed key legal principles. Section 138 of the NI Act outlines the conditions for dishonor of a cheque. Section 200 of the CRPC mandates magistrates to examine complainants on oath. And crucially, litigants suppressing material facts forfeit their right to judicial relief. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's decision underscores the necessity of transparency and full disclosure in legal proceedings. Suppression of material facts undermines the integrity of the judicial process. This case serves as a reminder that courts are meant to deliver justice, not facilitate fraud. The court left open the respondent's civil remedies for recovery of the alleged dues.